Meta just dropped a new perception language model, and this is big for founders, creators. Let's go into it. Meta just dropped something called PLP, and what this does is has great video understanding. As humans, we can watch a video, get context, do commentary, but now AI can do that. It's not perfect yet, but this technology is massive. Think about it. There are so many channels and content on movie analysis, sports analysis, ed tech, medical analysis. So many people make a living off content analysis, but now that is going to be done super fast with AI. Imagine if ChatGPT could watch a video, understand it, and tell you everything about it. Here are the use cases it unlocks. You can sell medical training software. You could have a video recording a surgeon going through a surgery, and then the AI can explain everything that's happening, why it's happening the way it is, with narration, without the human efforts. So now you have a great piece of content. All you need is the initial video of the surgery. The next thing it can unlock is sports analysis. How many of us watch a game and then after the game we watch a YouTube channel of someone breaking everything down? Now, if you're in this niche, it makes you produce content way faster with the help of AI. You can even start a brand new channel or start a brand new media agency where you just analyze games or you analyze amateur football players, and then you can sell this piece of content to other people who need not just the game, but the analysis. The AI can make highlights, it can make key moments. The next thing we can do is to repurpose content. So before it was really hard. You have like a long podcast to find the best clips, to find the best moments and subtitles. AI can do that one almost perfectly now. Rather than having multiple video editors, AI can just simply repurpose your content for different platforms, picking out the best moments. It's not going to be as good as a human would to detect emotion and nuance, similar to ChatGPT. But think about it, this whole industry didn't exist before. Keep in mind, it's not perfect. It's going to hallucinate. It's going to make a lot of mistakes, but this has unlocked opportunities. What are you going to build with this tech? What ideas are going to come to mind? Leave it in the comments below.